Hi kids! Welcome back to Mommy Chi Vlogs. In this video, you're going to learn another consonant sound. But before we proceed to our lesson, let's sing a song. Do you know the song If You're Happy and You Know It? Let's sing it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will truly show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will truly show. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, you shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, you shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will truly show. If you're happy and you know it, you shout hooray, hooray. That's the song If You're Happy and You Know It. Can I see your happy faces? Look at Mommy Chi face. She is smiling. Smiling at you guys. Mommy Chi is happy whenever you watch her videos. Are you happy also whenever you watch Mommy Chi videos? Great! Look at the picture. The boys are happy. Happy just like you and Mommy Chi. Happy. Now, in the word happy. Happy. Can you say it? Happy. Happy. Do you know what sound the word happy begins? It begins with sound. Can you say the sound? Happy. Sound is represented by letter H. This is letter H. Letter H. And the sound of letter H is Will you say the sound again? As in happy. Now, let's learn more things or words that begin with sound or that begins with letter H. I'll be showing you pictures and you're going to tell me what is it. Ready? What is it? It is a hat. Hat. Can you say the word hat? Hat. Does it also begins with sound? Yes. Hat also begins with as in hat. Next one. What is it? It is a house. House. Can you say the word house? A beautiful house. Wow. House also begins with sound. House. Next one. What is it? It is a helicopter. Helicopter. Will you say the word? Helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter also begins with sound. Helicopter. This one, what is it? It is a helmet. Helmet. Will you say the word? Helmet. Again, helmet. Does it also begins with sound? Yes. Helmet also begins with helmet. Another one. What is it? It is a horn. Horn. Will you say the word? Horn. Horn. Horn also begins with sound. Horn. This one, what is it? It is a horse. Horse. Horse also begins with sound. Horse. This one, what is it? It is a hand. Hand. Can you raise your hand? This is a hand. Does it also begins with sound? Yes. Hand also begins with hand. And this one, what is it? It is hair. Hair. Can you touch your hair? Mommy Chi is touching her hair. Hair. Does it also begins with sound? Yes. Hair also begins with sound. Hair. Happy. Hat. Helicopter. House. Helmet. Horn. Horse. Hand. And hair. All this begins with sound. The sound of letter H. I'm going to teach you now the hand motion for the letter H sound. We're going to sing the letter sound song. Put your hand near your mouth and pretend that you are tired, as if you are panting. Like that. Ready? Do you know the letter sound? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you know the letter sounds? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm tired producing the sound of letter H. That's the sound of letter H. It's an voice sound. That's for now. Hope you like this lesson and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.